Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to erase iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max remotely with Find My iPhone. So first, let me enter the passcode, and here we need to open up the Find My app. So search for it. Here I'll turn on Send Last Location. And now if you want to erase your phone, then simply click on this iPhone and now scroll a bit down until you guys see the erase setting. It's right at the bottom. It also works for the 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max. Now let's click erase, and as you guys can see, all content and settings will be erased when this iPhone connects to the internet. And if Find My network is enabled, you will still be able to locate this iPhone. So, as you guys can see, here we also get a small information that whenever we recover our iPhone, then some services may temporarily be disabled after it's restored. So, make sure that you think twice before erasing your iPhone. And that's basically how you guys can do that. So, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.